Alright, so welcome back. Today is our last day of a ride. Finally, we are going home. Yesterday, we reached at Shirdi very late, and I didn't even end my vlog. We reached at around 12 o'clock. Last 140 kilometers were really horrible. So then we had a stay. Then today morning, we got up around 4:45. Then went to the temple, just prayed for everyone, and now it's 9:30. We have almost left Shirdi town. We are almost like 30 kilometers away from the Shirdi town. Took a break for a breakfast, and now we are heading to back home. Back home journey would be around 600 kilometers. It shows around 12 to 13 hours altogether, and probably if we come directly from here, we should be back home by 10 o'clock non-stop, which is not possible. So we'll be taking multiple breaks in between, and hopefully I think we should be back home by max 12 to 1 in the morning, 1 early morning, or 1 in the midnight, you can say, or at least 12 midnight, that's for sure. So chalo, catch you up on the road and stay tuned for more updates. Well, it's 10:15 and we've been riding for last literally 45 minutes. Just took a small 10 minutes break because I was feeling really sleepy. Temperature is okay, it's feeling a little hot, but okay. The excitement level is high, no doubt. That's because finally we are going home. 30 days of our road trip to Ladakh has been fascinating. Beautiful memories, beautiful stories, and I just hope that I get time to edit these vlogs. It will take some time, but I'll try my best to at least bring trailer in next 10 to 15 days. All right, we have bypassed Ahmednagar city, and now we are on National Highway 160 by National Highway 61, which will now connect us to Satara. And Satara from here is roughly 195 kilometers. So it's 11:30 and we took one more break. Even after taking the Red Bull, it is not helping very much. Yesterday I took 2 Red Bulls, and that actually helped me to focus and ride for almost 2 to 3 hours without any dizzy feeling or feeling sleepy. But एक Red Bull से कुछ होता नहीं है. So we just had a break, had a water, washed our face, and now we are back on the state highway, or is it national highway? National Highway 160. And Satara is around 180 kilometers from this point. Road is good, at least from here. I just asked the local. He said till Satara you'll get this road, and I was like, thank God, chalo, because actually you can cover a lot of distance on this good highway. So as I was saying some other days back, that riding is like a meditation. Total focus on the road, things around the road, and any sort of a disturbance that is feeling of dizziness, feeling of little tired, or feeling when you lose sort of a focus is bad for that meditation. And when you feel that, your mind will tell you, your body will tell you immediately, you should immediately take it aside, right? Wash your face, have a cup of coffee or a tea or a water, anything which makes you awake, which makes you feel fresh, and then you can start your meditation again. So we have a long way to go. The last day of our epic journey from Goa to Leh will get over in another 500 kilometers. It has been a fascinating journey so far, I must say. It has been fascinating journey. This ride has at least given me some space, time to introspect, the strength, weakness. Sometimes you need to put your thought in place. Lot of things, and very important, I have been away from my family for 1 month, especially from my girls. It's a long time. I don't know how I will be reacting the moment I reach home, but anyways, just want to see them, just want to hug them, and just want to play with them. It's been a long time. Finally coming home, baby. Just some more kilometers. Alright, we are back in Ladakh. Lot of off-roading, lot of slush, Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Look around, look around. A lot of off-roading. Shankar is excited. Oh, we are back in Maharashtra. All right. We are back in Maharashtra. Sorry. I almost felt that I'm back in Ladakh. Seriously. Okay, Ji. We are back in Maharashtra. Sorry. My bad. I'm sorry. I am extremely sorry. I almost thought we are in Ladakh. Yes. Okay. And I'm getting a lot of coconut trees to see. Coconut trees always resembles something like you are back home. Seriously. The best road of today's ride in Maharashtra. This is something, I think, Swargiya Dhananjay Bahu something road. Fantastic. Seriously, compared to that morning road, ye to makhan hai. Mwah. Okay, this is new road. They are still painting. Therefore, it is in good conditions. Wait for another 2-3 years. You will get the picture of the real road. I hope it doesn't happen that way, and it lasts for some more time. Look at the clouds here. Beautiful, huh? Nice. It's not so hot. It's okay. And all these clouds looks like cotton candies. Seriously. Missing those white mountains. Seriously. Chalo, now let's speed up. Oh, it's windy. Come on. Control. So much of wind. Okay. I hope this road is inaugurated, because I see a lot of traffic coming from wrong side. Now the time has increased to 10:30. If we go from here non-stop, we'll reach 10:30. All right. Slowly, baby. What was that? Shit. That was really scary. So much of wind. Well, we just crossed Baramati, and it's already, what's the time now? Let me just check. Yeah, it's 1:45. Okay, good. You have more 100 kilometers to go to Satara. By I think 4 o'clock we should be around Satara, or max 4:30, because we will be taking break for lunch as well. Hello Baramati welcomes you, and I also welcome you. Maybe in this lane, Chinese katta, kaitari Chinese katta hai. Chinese. Want to try Chinese? Dekho janam hum tere apna tere liye laaye. We are right now in the Baramati city. You know, it's been very hard to get non-veg on these highways. Most of the dhabas are veg. Fatland, veg, non-veg. Toashle non-veg. Rajmudra. Yo. पुढे मिळत ना मिळत. टर्न मार. पुढे मिळत ना मिळत. आगा मिळा खाव्या आणि या. 2 मिनिटाची वाट. टर्न कर. Oops. Rajmudra non-veg. Finally. All right. Welcome back. So we just had our lunch at Baramati. Non-veg. Finally we found non-veg for Shankar. So chicken curry, some chicken fry, and some chapatis. And thumbs up for the road. It's already 2:30. And our next destination is Satara. Weather has become very pleasant now, not so very hot, and at least I don't want to take any more break now in between. I hope so. Save with Shankar. Let's stop directly at Satara. just 87 kilometers. Just got update from home. It seems it's raining, pouring like cats and dogs. So I think rain god would be waiting for us to welcome. Wow, this road looks beautiful, isn't it? Nice. Probably tourist hotspot. Might be, whether you have a lot of sugarcane juice makers, you know, on the way. This is nice stretch and very cool, by the way. All right, so we have reached Satara, and this is our highway, Satara to Kolhapur, Kolhapur to Belgaum, and then Belgaum to Goa. So it's already 4:45. So we are on time, as I was expecting. Max by 5 we should be at Satara. So from here approximately 7 hours we need to reach home. Shankar is really excited to go home early, therefore you see him now riding very fast. Good, I'm okay with that, because we can cover up good distance. He's speeding probably at what, 80-90 probably. Aram se baba, aram se. Okay, okay, there he goes. Now he'll take off. Okay, good Shankar, keep it up. Okay, I don't recommend speed, but right now the road is empty and actually we can cruise. So before the dark, if we can cover up maximum distance towards Belgaum, good for us. Alright, so it's 7 o'clock in the evening and we are exactly at Kolhapur. So in last 2 hours we made it almost 123 kilometers, and that's really fascinating. And we have more 200 kilometers to go. 100 kilometers approximately from here to Belgaum, and from Belgaum to Panjim would be 123 kilometers, something like that. So 225 kilometers. I'm expected to be at home at least by 11:30, max 12. Let's see, hope for the best. Yeah, and I think it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna put my GoPro in the bag and I'm going to see you later directly at home. Chalo, see you, tata, bye bye.